Um, he wants to say, I like to play Minecraft. Do you play in Swedish? Of course, we should be talking about Minecraft too because it was made by a Swede, developed by a Swede, and
I'm just gonna go for a second. I just
Marcus
have to do
Pearson.
something.
Marcus Pearson.
I'll be back soon.
You coming up? You want to say, I like to play Minecraft? Do you? Okay. So, Henrik, you want to listen to it? Here we go. So.
Jag gillar att spela Minecraft. Spela du?
Jag gillar
Jag gillar att spela Minecraft.
spela Minecraft. Spelar du?
My little body. Board.
Jag gillar att spela Minecraft.
Yeah.
Spelar du?
My little board. Bye bye.
Hey, Do. Okay, you ready to practice it?
Jag gillar att spela Minecraft.
Jag gillar att spela Minecraft. Do you?
Jag gillar att
Gilla.
spela Minecraft. Spela
Gilla. Jag gillar att spela Minecraft. Spelar du?